All right, look at that. I wish you guys could hear it as good as I can. Can I stand on it? That's kind of crazy, hey? I don't understand. Look at that. Can you hear it? Look at the patterns. Oh, that's cool. Okay, without me actually like falling in the water here. Ah. This is actually the water that like goes to my house, so let's try to be careful. Oh, that's cool. Hey, look at that. Nice. Oh, my rocks. Imagine how cold those rocks are right now. Brrr. Man, the ice is pretty though, eh? Look at it sparkling. Ooh. Man, that looks nice. And this is what I was looking at. Cool. More up here. Very cool. If we make it downtown, I got enough time, we'll go to the waterfall there and film how frozen that is. It's always I want to walk out on it. I think this is not safe. And that just like trips me out. What is that? Like falling from the... How did that happen? You know what it looks like? Cow patty bingo. Oh, okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. If someone sees me in here, if there's somebody coming, they'll be like, what's that girl doing all the time? Well, I'm just filming random things. Here's my boot prints. There's down the hill again. Isn't it pretty? There's me parked at the bridge. There's some beautiful sunshine. Okay, and then we're just gonna walk over the bridge. I'm just gonna film down the water for you. What I wanted to do today, but we can't always do what we want to do. Sometimes we got to do what we have to do, right? Sometimes we got to go to work and we can't play around outside, even though we would just like to play around outside and look at rocks and get paid for it. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. So this is Mad Dog Mountain Arts, and this is my rock channel, except I'm not filming any rocks right now because, well, it's cold. Today we're filming ice because it's cold. And like, Bella Coola's got a whole different like beauty when it's cold and there's ice. Like, it's beautiful in the summer, you know, but the water is kind of like is not as blue. In the winter the water gets really blue. This is my favorite bridge. This is how nice it looks, hey? So, I mean, when we drive around the corner here, I've been really, every time I drive around the corner, I look down here, and it's kind of, the sun's already gone behind the mountain here, but I've been really wanting to get out on that beach, hey? Film that ice over there, and then usually this has some sun, and there's the mountains. And then this side, been really contemplating dropping down. Usually I drop down over here. And look at that ice, right? Oh, I want to get over there. And this whole beach too, like I can get on that beach up there. Sorry, up there. I can get over there and smash some of those rocks out for sure. How we can get on the other side, smash some of those out for sure, but look at it. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, look, there's little birds. Man, little birds are resilient, hey? looks so cool. Ice. Ice. Nature. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop down over there, but I'm a little bit sketched because it's probably slidey. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Anyways, we're gonna go to Bailey Bridge and I'm gonna show you an ice pilot. Now my hand's super cool. Okay. Pretty. Pretty mountains. It'd be so nice to be climbing through these woods right now too. Oof. Oof. Oh wow. It's supposed to warm up. So soon. This is the bridge. I am. And that's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts winter video. Thanks for watching. Oh, look at the snow. There's just some snow on the side of the road, but look at it. Cool.